Hello farmers, welcome to Addota Farm. In today's video we'll be looking into this subject matter: how to know if your rabbit is pregnant. How to know if your rabbit is pregnant. If you are new in this channel, please kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever we drop a new videos. Please kindly like these videos and share. Now, if you are a rabbit breeder or a rabbit owner, there will be lots of questions going through your mind right now. Like you'll be asking, how can I know if my rabbit is pregnant? What are the signs or what are the symptoms that I will see that will make me believe that my rabbit is pregnant? I actually asked this particular question before. I've gotten an answer to it, so I want to share these ideas or these signs with you, so to help you to know if your rabbit is pregnant. Now, number one sign to know if your rabbit is pregnant is you discover that your beautiful rabbit, the rabbit that you bought, that is so calm, so friendly and so cool with you, you discover that the rabbit will become so aggressive, and you'll be wondering that what happened to this particular rabbit. Why is this rabbit being aggressive this way? It's because the rabbit is pregnant. So you just need to take care of the rabbit well and wait until the rabbit delivers. Number two is you discover that there is a slight increase in their food in their appetite. You discover that the rabbit will start consuming a lot of food, especially when you are giving them pellets to eat. You discover that the rabbit will start consuming a lot of food. Why some will actually stop eating, but for this particular one consume a lot of pellets, a lot. So that was what made me think that this particular rabbit is pregnant. Why? Number three is by using your hand, by using your fingers to feel the abdomen of the rabbit to know if your rabbit is pregnant. You can do it this way. Actually, you might be a little bit scared that, okay, this is my first time, so how will I detect if the rabbit is pregnant truly? You can do it, you can try it, but if you try it and you see that it's not working, then that means your rabbit is not pregnant. This is how to do it. You use your two fingers and you press down the abdomen of the rabbit down here. You use your two fingers to press it down, so to feel it down, so you can start touching it. You see that you see some small bubbles down there like the babies in the abdomen of the rabbit. That is how to know that your rabbit is pregnant. This particular one is pregnant. I can feel it here, right here. Why? Number four is you discover that it's the rabbit to start pulling the foot of the rabbit to start pulling off its foot from its body, the hair. The rabbit start pulling it off all the time. That is when you know that your rabbit is pregnant. Once again, if you are new in this channel, please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever we drop a new videos. Please kindly like our videos and share.